एक्चुअली सो नाइस टू नो कि आप लोग इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो अपने। अब मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि आप लोग क्या कोई काम भी करते हैं या सारा टाइम इसी के साथ देते हैं अपने होलिस्टिक एड के साथ में। और दूसरा, आप लोगों ने जिनको भी अभी तक किट सप्लाई किया है या दिया है, क्या आप उनसे कभी पर्सनली मिल पाए हैं और उसका इफेक्ट या इम्पैक्ट आपको कभी देखने को मिला?
Okay, so obviously we are working, like both of us work in advertising and we have our day jobs, but over the weekend or once our work gets over in the evening, depending on a schedule, whenever we get time, we just make sure that we can, little time we can just give to it and make things work, because this also needs certain efforts, and thankfully we have a lot of people also helping us, so
That's nice.
that is manageable. Your second question, obviously, since the pandemic, no, we did not get a chance to meet a lot of people that we are interacting with, because obviously there were lockdowns. So, not the organizations, we've been associated with a lot of NGOs, so we didn't get the chance to meet them. But I have personally been to a few drives
Mhm.
within Bombay. So, I mean, yes, you see that impact, because whenever you go, you see these line, like a huge queue of kids who are standing, waiting for the kid, and waiting for our kids. And the joy that you see on their faces when they see the coloring books, when they see the crayons or Ludo, that's all you need as an impact. Like that at the moment, like right there, creates an impact for me. And sometimes, we tell them that they can send their drawings, so sometimes we've received their coloring
So
books, their
nice.
workbooks. So I think it's great. It's a great feeling that
Yeah.
we know that it is being utilized and we see it getting utilized.
Anga, you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, I mean, we generally try to have this conversation, communication, both ways. When the on-ground team goes down and clicks pictures, and when we receive it as the content team, it's just immense pleasure. It gives us that drive to, okay, we need to do this more. We need to see more faces, more
Yeah.
happy faces. So it just intensifies the feeling of wanting to do more. And I think that's what's driving us and the whole team, actually, because the response that we get from our volunteers also is something that really drives us and keeps us going.
So how many members are there in your team now? I mean, as of now, 2020,
So right
2019.
now we have we usually work with college students, so it's on and off, because right now, at least this month, because even I tested positive and things like that. A lot of that happened. We usually have at least 10 volunteers in our roster that keep
Oh, that's
helping
good.
us.
So you keep getting volunteers change. I mean, volunteers keep changing on a
Yeah,
regular basis, is it?
yeah.
Not so regular, like they come for 6 8 months, and then at least like 3 to 6 months that they come for,
Mm-hmm.
and then we get like new ones once they have to go for exams and stuff.
It's also word of mouth. Usually, we've had volunteers who are friends of the volunteers that joined us. So, they've enjoyed working with us. So then they speak to somebody else and then they join us.
Yeah.
So that's how it's been happening.
That was supposed to be my next question, that how do you actually get volunteers in your team? So this is how you informed me in advance. Thanks for that information. So लोगों दोस्तों सुन रहे हैं आप लोग, होलिस्टिक एड, पिंक सर्कल फाउंडेशन, बी योर ओन, आप किसी के साथ भी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो इस वीडियो के नीचे आप अपना कमेंट्स दीजिएगा और थोड़ी सी कोशिश करके देखिए, मज़ा जो आएगा उसका कुछ, उसकी कोई गिनती नहीं होगी. यू कैन नॉट काउंट द ब्लेसिंग्स विच यू गेट and the happiness which you receive by doing something, some small steps also. It's unbelievable. Yeah, true.
Yes.
True.